Alrighty, I'm going to attempt to install the scenery that you're having problems with into P3D. On my hard drive, drive F, I've installed the scenery in its own folder. I also have two other sceneries here. One's Yuma and one's San Diego. I'm going to take a look inside your scenery here, see what's there. There's a scenery file, a texture file, a JPG. And of course the scenery is inside there. Now I prefer not to use a folder named add-on scenery. Maybe the software is getting confused on your system by using the folder called add-on scenery. I don't know. But I put mine on the F drive in a folder called P3D V2 Scenery Packs. I put all of my scenery there and then install it into P3D. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and start up P3D and try to continue the video there where we begin the installation and see if it works okay. Alrighty, now I have the P3D loaded up. I'm going to get into the scenery library and we can see about loading this new airport in. Okay, let's go first to World and then Scenery Library. And I'm going to select Add Area. I want to add an area here. And then I want to browse to where it's at. In my case, it's on the F drive like I showed you before. So we'll get into the F drive. And then we're going to be looking for P3D. My scenery areas. Here it is here, P3D V2 scenery packs. So I'll get into that. And here's your scenery right here. So I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to click OK. Now I do have a scenery title here, so that's a good sign. I'll click OK. Okay, and then I have the area, a new area added right here in the scenery library. Okay. Now once it's in there, that's a good sign, right? It's in here. I'm going to click OK and see what happens. Okay. It's building a scenery database now. We'll watch this progress. Alrighty, that went to completion. Now we're loading a terrain data. Alrighty, now at this point, what I'm going to do is exit from P3D, and then I'm going to start it back up. I'm going to get out of P3D completely so that when I restart it up, it shuffles all the scenery files properly. Okay, now I'm going to pause the recording while we load it back up. Okay, I have P3D started back up, and right now I see in the upper left-hand corner GSX is regenerating the airport cache. And that's a good sign because that's an indication that GSX knows that the scenery library has been changed. So I'm going to pause it again while that's going through its regeneration process. Alrighty, I got the select airport up here. I'm going to type in the code for your airport, LTAI. 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 Okay, now we're going to go ahead and select it. We'll see what kind of runways are available. We've got a bunch of gates here too. Okay, I'm going to go to gate 10 heavy. Okay. Alrighty, let me go to daytime so we can see what's out there. Alrighty, I'm unfamiliar with the airport. I hope this looks familiar to you. We'll take a look outside here, see what's here. Alrighty, now I'm going to stop this P3D and I'm going to go to my scenery library next, locate that and see if your file is in the scenery folder itself. Alrighty, I went to my C drive, program data, Lockheed Martin, P3D v2, got inside the scenery CFG file, and this is what I have. Here's the end of my Orbix library, and there's your new airport, Area 143. So it's all looking pretty good. Now hopefully if you do the same thing, you'll end up with the same results.